So when you are using this method for 57 base, you write your 57. So 128 is greater than 57, so we are not using this. 64 is greater than 57, so we are not using this. We are using 32. 32 plus what? We want to check. Now you have to subtract. We have 57 minus 32 to give us 25. So instead of you writing 25 here, what next number that you can write? 16. Write your 16. Take 16 for 25 from 16. You have your 9. So when you have your 9 plus what other thing that is closer to 9? We have 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9. So if you want to write the binary, we have 32. You can see 32 here, so we have 1. 16 also, you can see it, we have 1. 8, you can see 8, we have 1. 4, can you see 4 here? No. Can you see 2 here? No. Can you see 1? Yes. That's why the answer is like this. Very, very straightforward and simple. Okay, I want you to try 152 base 10. Right, that's 152 equal to, you can see that 152 is more than 120, so 128 is there. So we have 128 plus, we don't know, so go and do your subtraction. 152, 128. So subtract it, we have 24. So instead of you write 24 here, look at the one that is closer to 24. So you can say 16 plus 16, take away 16, so we have 8. So we have plus 8 to make this, all these ones work. They are 152 now. So when you get to 152, what you're going to do is that just go to it. We have 128. Yes, we have 1. Write your 1. Do we have 64 there? No. Do you have 32? No. Do you have 16? Yes. Do you have 8? Yes. Do we have 4? No. Do we have 2? No. Do we have 1? No. So all these ones are base 2. I know you should understand this wonderful one now. Maybe you are not clear, but in school they always teach us this method. If you still remember how to draw this method in base 2, you put your 2 here. Some people, as soon as they see this, say, oh, I love it, I love it. But there are shorter methods that you can use. That was what we first used. How many 2 we see in 8? We have 4. 2 in 3, it is 1 remainder 1. So 2 in 41, it is 20 remainder 1, because you can say, so 2 in from 20, we have 10 remainder nothing. Nothing is 0. 2 in 5, yes, remainder nothing because it's 5. 2 in 5, we have 2 remainder 1. 2 in 2, we have 1 remainder 0. And also 2 in 1 is not possible, but we can see this one. So count from down to up. If you do it very well, so it's going to be 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So all these are base 2. Okay. If you want to follow the method that I explained earlier on comparing the two now, we have 83. What can you use? You can see 83. We can use this 128. We are using 64, right? 64 plus what? Want to know? So you subtract 83, 64. So when you subtract it, we have what's called 19. Okay, 19. So instead of you to write 19, check numbers that are closer to 19. We have 16 plus 3. But don't write 3 because 3 is not here. So we are writing 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. So if you want to do it now, it's going to be 64. We have 1. You can see 64. Yes. Can we see 16? Can we see 32? No, we can't see 32, but we can see 16. Can we see 8? No. Can we see 4? No. Can we see 2? Yes. Can we see 1? Yes. That's how the answer is like this. Okay, scholars compare it. You can see this and this, they are the same method. So let's use table method first. We have the method 1, which is 2. 2 in 7, it is 3 remainder 1. If you put here in 19, we have 9 remainder 1. So we have 2 again. 2 in 3, we have 1 remainder 1. In 19 again, it's going to be 9 remainder 1. So 2 in 19 is 9 remainder 1, because 2 times 9, 18. So 2 in 9, 9 is going to be 4 remainder 1. Okay, 2 in this is 2 remainder nothing. 2 here, we have 1 remainder nothing. 2 in 1 is not possible. Remember the same 1. Are you seeing it? So count from down to up. So we have the answer to be 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is base 2 using this table method. But using the base method, the one that I have explained, okay, let's look at it. We have 128 is greater than 74. So you move to this one, 64. So we have 64 plus what now? I want to know. Okay, just subtract it. We have 79, 64. So we have here to be 15. Okay, what can we do to make 15? We can't use 16 again. That means we are using all these ones. 8, are you seeing 8? Uh, we are looking at 15. 8 plus what? 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. All these have become 15 because it's 12, 13, 14, 15. So now let us now get our answer. We have 64 to be 1. Do we see any 32? Nothing. Like 32. Do we have 16? No. Do we have 8? Yes, 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 yes. That's how it is. It's 2. People prefer this method than this. Why some prefer this than this? So, but I want you to have idea of the 2. That's how to solve the 2. So you are going to do this. Please do it in your notes, or you convert the following base 10 to base 2. Please give yourself space, time to do this work. Number out, we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So you start from 0. Notice 0. You have your 0 present, so this is 1. We have your 1, this one's present because it's there. We have 2. We have this 2. We have also 4. We have this also, it's not here. You have 0 here. And we have this one, we have 16. So just add these ones together. So your final answer will be 23 base 10. Some love this method like this. See, this is simple. Your own is that first do this one first, then you get your answer. But there are some that still go to certain level. They will say, okay, 1, or you can use this. It's still the same, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So you start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you seeing it? This is 1 times, this is 2. This is 1 times 2 raised to power 4, 1 up here, plus we have 0. 0 times 2 raised to power 3, you can see. And also plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So now this is 16, because 2 raised to power 4 is also 16 here. 0 times anything here is 0, plus this is 4, this is 2, and this is 1. Because 2 raised to power 0 is 1, so 1 times 1 is 1. So if you add all together, you will get the same as 23 base 10. So your own is that make sure you have know this table, memorize it, make sure you know it. When you put it on ground in your jotter, it will be easy for you to do the conversion easily without even stressing yourself. What to do? This is 0. That means from here we have 0, 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are stopping here. Are you seeing it? We are stopping here. All what you just need to do is to write it out. We have this one present, we have 64, plus this one too present, 32, plus this one too present, 16, plus this one too present, 8. And this one is not possible, it's not here, but 2 is available and also 1 is available. Okay, that's all. So let's add this together, 24. So it's going to be 123. So the answer is 123 is 10. Okay. Another example, when you have 10001, just like 111 like this. Okay, you can use the method that I talked about here and get your answer. So, but I want you to do it, please. What is this? Please let me see it in the comment section. We have don't forget that we have 1000111. Count it from this place. We have 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are stopping here, just like how we did the first one. We are stopping here. So we have 64 is your 1 here. We have 0. We don't have the 0, 0, 0. That means all these ones are 0. We have 0 plus 0 plus 0. Plus the follow, we have 1. That's 4 plus 2 plus 1. All these ones, you add it together, it's going to be 71B. So I know you scholars, you are very good at what you do. Please try to solve this and let me see your answer in the comment section below.